What's up, y'all? We are back with another install video. Today I'm installing a orange wig on my client. So I started off with my HD cap. You can purchase your cap via my website link below, and I'm going in with a makeup that is closest to her skin type. And now I'm putting that wig on, and then after that I'm just gonna make sure that everything looks how I want it. Alright, and now I'm about to go in and part the wig. My client did later switch to the other side for her part to be on. You'll see me switch later in the video. I like to go ahead and vision out the look in my head, so you'll see me like pulling out hair, seeing how the final look will look in my head. Now I'm about to get into prepping her skin and then laying my 4 layers of lace glue. I'll go in with 91% alcohol, cleaning the skin completely off, allowing that to dry. And then I go in and spray a skin guard and allow that to dry as well. After that, I do 4 layers of lace glue, allowing each layer to dry clear before applying the next layer. Alright, and I like to multitask, y'all, so while each layer of glue is drying, I am doing something else. So now I am going into styling while I'm still applying glue in between. Alright, and now that the 4th layer has dried, I am now going to lay that lace down into that glue. And I like to split mine up in 3. I'll put the middle part down first. Make sure I comb that in, and then I do each side, making sure I comb that in, and then I put an elastic band on, and then I continue styling.
Girls love Beyonce, girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. This talking you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in. No friends, no.
Now while we're allowing that to melt, I'm gonna go in and do majority of the curling, if not all of it, before I go in and cut that lace off.
But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. Cause I want you to pound with the shit, baby. I love you, but you ain't rockin', girl. Say my name, you like to count the state of it. Baby, you ought to say my name. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, say my name. You know one is around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. Those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for blocking your phone and not coming home and start some shit. When I'm in the zone, this is what I've been saying. No difference, no. You know how this shit go. This is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now. Forget how it felt when this shit moves slow. I come through in whips that make the young boy take the long way home. All my young boys round me street, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me. Because someone besides myself. I need someone I leave to the front door. We don't hide no more. Crush that side no more. Neither of us want to put aside no more. No, not alone. Nothing was the same. Get your ass alone. Let me make you say my name.
Okay, y'all, we now got the curling out of the way, Now let's get into cutting the lace. So you want to take your razor and cut that lace in a jagged motion. Make sure you take your time. Then after that, I'm going to pull out my baby hairs and then melt her down one more time. Alright, and after my final melt, I'm pretty much just doing my little final touches, defining the part, combing out the curls, doing the baby hairs, all the fun stuff.
Reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't my revenge, but now I get along better with your friends. And it's wrong, I know, but again, trust me, this ain't my revenge. I get along better with your friends.
Alright, and after I do my baby hairs, I'm going to just comb out those curls.
No, you said you felt.
And y'all, this is the finishing look. We gave very much Halloween. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that, and I'll see you guys in my next video.